Hi everybody, Tony here. So in this video I've got I believe it's called the Droid Commander Polybag. Anyway, set 75522. Here are the instructions. Not very big. So a lot of people pick these up on the Shop Lego at Home. I need to look that up. Sorry I keep messing up the name of it. So I actually missed out on this. I was going to get it and it sold out. So I ended up having to buy it on the secondary market. At the time of this video, they're going for $30 to $35 on eBay. In my opinion, this set is really not worth that money, but I wanted it, so I paid it. Anyway, we have the three droids. Of course, R2-D2, which is my favorite Star Wars character. Let's see, how does the dome look? Usually their domes are messed up. It doesn't look too bad. Wow, okay. So we have R2, we have the mouse droid. Not a bad little build for the mouse droid. Now most people have got these in a few sets before. I have one of the Death Stars. It has a mouse droid in it. I think my Star Destroyer does. Pretty sure I've got at least a couple other sets that has the mouse droid. And I am completely drawing a blank right now. I cannot remember this droid's name. The base, of course, got the 20 years. It does look pretty good. I am going to be happy to display it with my Star Wars sets. Don't really remember how it's, oh, okay. It's got a set like that. And the mouse droid. So hey, did you guys pick this up? I hope you did. I hope you didn't have to go to the secondary market and pay a crazy price like I did. Yeah, that's the thing. If you see something on there you want, you should probably pick it up. Alright, that is the Droid Commander Polybag. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, all those good things. If you haven't subscribed or hit the bell, go ahead and if you want to do that. And as always, I hope everybody has a great day.